Hi there, Habibi here. On my previous video I've added this drop down menu, and if you click any option of the list here on the drop down, you can change which camera can be activated. But there is a problem. This one is fine if we click, for example, camera number 7, everything is fine. But there is another problem if we change the camera by clicking this button. If we click this button, now we are in the camera 6, but the drop down value is not updated. It is still on cam 7. It is still on cam 7 and it is not nice. So that's why I make this video to fix this problem. Here is our drop down value change function, and here is the show camera function. We call this function on the drop down value change and also on the switch camera to next function. We need to update or change this function. This is the function. I will add this parameter to the function, show camera to update drop down, and here I'm going to add an if statement. If update drop down is true, we need to change the value of the drop down. This one, we need to set the value of the drop down menu dot value to be the value of the current cam variable. Only if the update drop down is true. Then here we need, every time we call this function, we need to specify is it true or false. This one will be false, and when we call this function switch camera to next, this one also false, and this one, I should do it the other way. This one false and this one should be true. We should update the value of the drop down, except if the function is called by drop down value change. Okay, let's go back to our Unity editor. I'm going to play the game. I'm going to test it. Number 8, number 6, number 9. Now I'm going to use these buttons to switch between cameras. As you can see, the drop down menu is updated. Cam 7, cam 7, cam 6, 6. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and bye bye. See you next time.